I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rosemary syrup. This simple recipe requires just 3 ingredients: fresh rosemary, granulated sugar, and water. For the best flavor, always use fresh, clean rosemary. You will need 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar, along with about 3 to 4 sprigs of fragrant rosemary. This combination creates a perfectly balanced and aromatic syrup for many uses. First, combine your 1 cup of water and 1 cup of granulated sugar in a small saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Stir the mixture gently and occasionally until all the sugar has completely dissolved into the water. It is important to ensure the sugar is fully incorporated, but avoid bringing the mixture to a rapid, rolling boil at this stage. A gentle simmer is perfect. Once your sugar is fully dissolved, add the 3 to 4 fresh rosemary sprigs directly into the warm syrup. Reduce the heat to low and allow the mixture to gently simmer for about 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the aromatic essential oils from the rosemary to slowly infuse into the syrup, creating a rich and complex flavor profile. The longer it infuses, the stronger the rosemary essence. After 10 minutes of simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat. Let the syrup cool completely to room temperature with the rosemary sprigs still in it. This deepens the flavor. Once cool, strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve to remove the rosemary. Transfer your beautiful, aromatic rosemary syrup to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for several weeks, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.